Why Bollywood? Why? Instead of copying these many things, you copied movies, you copied plenty of other things. You remade songs, you copied Tamil songs in Hindi, you even remade songs also. Now you people are starting to remake, web series also. By how? Not by web series of Tamil, by just copying 3-4 movies, combining it and releasing it as a web series. Such kind of web series is called as Breed. This show can be viewed through Amazon Prime, and there's a total of 12 episodes, and each episode will have nearly 45 to 50 minutes each. And if you want to complete it, if you have so much interest in completing this within a day, then no problem. You can just forget about your series because it costs 9 hours. And if you haven't seen the first season, no problem. You can directly watch the second season because the second season is no way connected to the first season. Okay, that's what it is. And the story, it begins from Delhi, where doctor named Avinash and his wife Abba and his daughter named Sia. Okay, they'll be living a wonderful life. They won't have any problems like money or love, whatever it is. Basically, this person is a psychiatrist, okay? But he also gets involved in certain solving big cases, okay? The next lead character is Kabir Sawan, who has a very bad past experience, but his case solving experience is very good. He can solve cases which is way beyond than other police officer. And the twist will start when Avinash's daughter Sia gets kidnapped, and that happens in the first episode itself. Okay, that happens in the first episode itself, and the kidnappers, they won't even ask any money or property in return. In return, they'll just ask certain people to be get killed. Whereas I've mentioned how they copied. They have copied this nearly like Asur. Asur, what they will do, they'll kidnap. They'll ask him to make a plan to kill the other person. Same way here, instead of making a plan, everything you would do, you only have to go kill that person. That's what they will do. So just in sake of keeping their daughter alive, they will go and kill these people. So then comes the entry of the police officer, which is Kabir Sawan, who will be given this case, investigate this case and solve this case. And if you're talking about acting, I'll come to acting directly. If you talk about acting, Abhishek Bachchan was tried, but he was not as good as how Maddie did. Maddie was superb in his first season. He was so great. The emotions and the dialogue delivery was so superb from Maddie, but he didn't do anything. Abhishek didn't do anything in this movie. He just fucked this series totally with his acting. And talking about Amit Sir, awesome, superb acting. I don't think so there was much of, and the way how he acted in the series is just going to hurt all the other star kids, The lead actress is Nitya Menon. She was not up to the best. The way she acted in a previous South Indian movie, she was not up to that. Even she did better in Mission Mangal also, but she didn't do as great as what she did in previous movie because her chemistry with Abhishek Bachchan was not at all good. And talking about the supporting actors, to be honest, supporting actors did a great job, more than what the lead actors do, apart from Amit Sir. Because Amit Sir was great with his eyes, he just proved what he's up to, and other supporting actors were so good. So you can watch this just because on their basis, just because of Amit Sir and the supporting actors, just because of their acting itself, you can watch this series. My ratings for this movie is 3 out of 5 stars. The first star I would give is for Amit Sir's powerful performance in this series. The second star is for the cinematography and editorial part. Whereas even though this movie was copied from other movies, still they showcased it in a manner that when the suspense comes out, in the end it comes out. That's the main positive in this. In the end you will know this person is a split person, and that split person theory was copied from South Indian movies, which was called Onion and Ratchasan and many other movies from South Indian movies. It was copied. This theory was totally copied from those things. So covering up those things, the cinematography and editorial part is the second star I would give for. And the third star is for the way how they describe the past and the present. That's the main reason I would give these 3 stars. And my negative is for Abhishek Bachchan's very average performance and their poor chemistry. Their chemistry just screwed up everything. If that was there, this series would have been better apart from copying. But even that screwed up in this series, due to which I don't think so it was so great enough. Another negative is for the length of the series. You don't require 45-50 minutes to explain a split person character just because you copy 3-4 movies in this. So that is the second negative that I want to talk in this series. I don't know till when these South Indian writers will stop selling their scripts, because their cinematography, their experience, the way they wrote the story is going in water. Nothing. They have just created nothing out of this, of selling the scripts. And one more thing I want to tell these Bollywood fans is that instead of going to this theaters and watching the remake movies, which is already being spoiled by the star kids, instead of watching all these things, people can sit in home. No need to spend anything. Switch on Set Max by either by Jio TV or by TV. You can switch on Set Max. Watch the dubbed Hindi movies, dubbed South Indian movies. Sorry, not Hindi, South Indian movies. You can dub it, watch it in Hindi. You will at least find real characters. Today, what Abhishek Bachchan did in this series was he was not. There was a scene in which he was not even able to cry. He was not even able to cry and show his anger. That if that scene was given to Maddie, it was absolutely awesome. You must have seen the first series, then you will come to know.